This video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for these metallic save the date invitations. These are debossed using my Cricut Maker 4. Heads up, this step-by-step tutorial video is actually for those who've already purchased the template from me. So if you don't have the template, you will not be able to create this. So go to kitchencricut.com and get your template and then come back here. After purchasing the template, you're going to open Cricut Design Space and upload the SVG file. You should have gotten an email that allowed you to download all 3 of these sizes. Choose the size that you would like and drag it into the upload box. Click Continue, Upload, and you can confirm the size will be listed below. This is the square 4.5 by 4.5. In the layers panel, you'll see them grouped. If you click the downward arrow, it'll show you what is grouped. The first layer is going to be our letters. Right now they are basic cut, so we need to switch that over to deboss. That lets Cricut know that we need this to be outlined with our deboss tip. And then below it is our basic cut. Now take that basic cut as well as the layer above it, which is the save the date, and we are going to attach that together. From there, we're going to duplicate the whole project because we can get more than one on per page and we want to save paper. From there, we are ready to make. Now we're going to go to the left and change our material size to the standard letter size paper because that's the size of the paper we have, and click Continue. We can go ahead and do medium cardstock. And I like to leave my pressure at default. And first tool that we will need is going to be our deboss tool. So I actually have the Quick Swap deboss tip with the housing, and the deboss tip is numbered at 01, just so you can kind of make sure you're using the right tip. Next, we can prepare our paper. Now, I tested and tried a ton of metallic paper, and this is by far the best one. Make sure to get the one that was included in the PDF I sent you. Then we're going to make sure that this is laid down very nicely. The mat that I'm using is a light grip. We do not want a standard or a strong grip. It's just too much for the metallic paper. Once that's ready to go, we will go ahead and put the deboss tip into our Cricut Maker and press go. Your Cricut Maker is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes to completely deboss 2 of these cards. So if you need to change the laundry or run to the car, now is a good time to do so. Next, the Cricut Design Space is going to let us know that we need to switch to our fine point blade. So you'll remove the deboss tip and put in the fine point blade. Once that's completed, you'll flip over your mat and remove the mat from the paper. This just minimizes the creases and helps keep the actual card as flat as possible. And now your save the dates are ready to go. You can layer it on paper. You can maybe create a cool vellum envelope. You can add some sticker paper to the back to provide some information. But yeah, either way, it's a really beautiful metallic shiny mirror-like save the date.